Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best camera monopods in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Amazon Basics 67-inch monopod. The first monopod on our list is the Amazon Basics 67-inch monopod. It's actually also the cheapest monopod, and we couldn't decide whether to have it as our best value or best choice. We ended up selecting it as our best choice product because we couldn't believe how good this thing is for the price. It's 67 inches tall, which is about 5.6 feet, so it should be tall enough for most photographers. And it supports video cameras, still, mirrorless cameras, and scopes that weigh up to 6.6 pounds. Of course, as you'd expect for the price, it's not the best quality monopod on the market. But it's pretty sturdy. It's made from lightweight aluminum and actually weighs less than a pound. On the bottom of the monopod, it's got a non-skid rubber foot and retractable spikes to make it easy to stabilize your shot. And it even comes with a carrying bag. This monopod is absolutely ideal if you're just starting out in photography, or if you want to try it out. But if you're a professional, you'll want to spend some more money and get something a bit better quality. Number 2, Sirui P326 6-section carbon fiber monopod. The Sirui P326 is definitely a more serious piece of kit. It basically does all of the same things as the Amazon Basics monopod, it just does them better. The main selling point of this camera monopod is that it's made out of carbon fiber, which means it's ultra lightweight. It weighs just 0.9 pounds but is one of the sturdiest monopods on this list. It's comprised of 6 sections, which extend to an impressive working height of 62.4 inches. To extend it, you simply loosen the silicone twist lock and then tighten it again when you've found the perfect height. This twist lock makes it super easy to extend it out fast, and it prevents the monopod from inadvertently collapsing. To help you grip onto the monopod, it's got a wrist strap and a comfortable, insulated foam grip with the brand name emblazoned on the side. Other than that, it has a high-quality metal spike to help you secure it into the ground, and it comes with a compass carabiner so that you can attach it to your belt. All in all, this is one of the best mid-range monopods. The only problem is that it doesn't have any feet, but if you really wanted that level of stability, you could buy a tripod. Number 3, Benro Aluminum 4 Series Flip-Lock Monopod. The Benro Aluminium 4 Series monopod is one of our favorite monopods for traveling videographers. It's actually suitable for pretty much any photographer, but we think it has a few key features that make it great for YouTubers, professional videographers, and anyone else who makes their own videos. It's actually a bit heavier than the first 2 products we've featured, at 2.4 pounds. But that extra weight and aluminum construction mean that it can support up to 44.1 pounds. So, if you're looking for a monopod with feet for an HD DSLR camera, this might be the one for you. The feet in question are actually mounted on a 3-leg locking base. This is a fantastic system that gives it almost as much stability as a tripod. So, you can get all of the stability for shooting video, without having to carry around a massive piece of kit. Aside from that, it extends to 64.6 inches, has a reversible thread mount and a comfortable foam grip, and it even comes with a limited 3-year warranty that you can extend to 5 years. It makes a perfect gift for photography lovers. Number 4, Sirui P204 SRP Series Monopod. If you like the last video monopod, you'll definitely like the Sirui P204 SRP Series Monopod. Like the Benro monopod, it's designed with videographers in mind. In fact, Sirui has really taken it to the next level with this product. It has a similar base system that has 3 fold-down feet to turn it into a mini tripod. You can either let them stand on their own or put your weight on them to provide even more stability. But the best feature about this monopod is the fact that it can pan 360 and tilt up to 20, without the monopod moving out of position. This gives you the same amount of control over the shot as a full-sized tripod would. The only place where this monopod falls down is the weight. It weighs over 3 pounds, which makes it the heaviest monopod yet, and it has a maximum load capacity of 17 pounds. This makes it both heavier and weaker than the last monopod. So, the decision to buy this product should be based purely on its ability to pan and tilt. If that is something that you know will come in handy in your video shoots, it's probably worth the extra money. Just make sure your camera isn't too heavy. Make sure you also check our guide to the best selfie sticks. Number 5. Polaroid 72 Monopod. Polaroid is one of the most famous and most trusted names in photography. They don't just make instant cameras either. The Polaroid 72-inch monopod is one of the best monopods around. The first thing you might notice about it is that it's a lot simpler than some of the monopods we've featured. It doesn't have any additional features to make it more complicated and do the job of a tripod. Instead, the company has focused on making it the best monopod camera stand it can be. The second thing you'll notice about it is the height. At 72 inches long, it's the second tallest monopod on this list, and the other one is much more expensive. This makes it the perfect option for the tall photographers out there. It means that you don't have to stoop down to take the shot, which will save your back on a long day. Don't be fooled into thinking it's oversimplified though. It's still got a universal thread, no sweat foam grip, stay set locking mechanism, and a retractable spike. They've still ticked all the boxes as far as we're concerned. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.